cannon, war cannon. R.I.P. war cannon. Can't believe say you're gone. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and our people. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Well, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here now to talk about a very sad story that occurred in Jamaica, my people. Involved in a brethren who is more known as an artist, and a lot of people know him as a TikToker, because he was there over TikTok, my people, doing his thing, you know what I mean, gaining a lot of followers and things, especially at the moment, because this brother, a lot of people know him as War Cannon. You understand his musical name and his TikTok name, my people. See? And recently he lost his daughter. So videos went viral with him where he was speaking about his daughter and about his daughter passing and blaming the government and say whatever he's gonna do based on the fact if the Prime Minister don't reach out to him and thing. And now we have seen where on Thursday, June the 5th, 2025, just days after laying his daughter to rest, my people, he was cut down by unknown assailants in a part in Jamaica Center where them call him Discovery Bay. My people, I'm telling you, it's a very sad one. We have seen where a lot of people on social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, is mourning the loss of this brethren, this TikToker, this artist, War Cannon, my people. A lot of people say them cannot believe, you understand, how them cut down this brother. And just for know, say, him just was mourning the passing of his daughter, my people. Him just put down, bury him daughter. And for know, like, these criminals are these persons who are responsible or who want him out, they couldn't wait. Well, my people, War Cannon, a lot of people know him on TikTok figure.
Well, I know. The boy bumbuckle at the mark about his name John Wick. When the boy they are foreigner suck off a man dick. Hey boy, I want to spin it wearing a blood clot head. You know, see you kill 4 artists, let me make 5 now. Let me make 5.
Talk about other artists is like, you know what I mean, counteract them and we, you know what I mean, show him words, show him shades, which not him alone do it. A lot of people saw him based on the fact, as I told you before, about the same video where him do, and he must speak about him daughter passing. You see me? And a lot of people know him back when he used to be competing in Clash, you know what I mean? There was one with him on Gage and other artists also. But what could have really be the case? That's what a lot of people are thinking. Is it the TikTok videos that he has been doing? Is it the case of where him daughter gone and him speak out and say, yo, where am I going to do to Jamaica? And if the Prime Minister don't reach out to him, is it that? Or what could have been the real reason behind the cut down of War Cannon? Well, my viewers and subscribers, looking into things, right? And I'm saying, you will see a man personally here on TikTok and social media, anybody at all. This is life. You have one life. Think about it. There is a moment or a time when nobody are going to be on no social media platform 24/7 of them life, 24 hours of the day. No. Everybody have a different time of them life for them are going to do different things. Whether you go to a party, whether you go to a bar, you're on a virgin, maybe in an argument, you know what I mean? Maybe you're there with a girl. You know, there's a different side to life. So, not just saying because he was an artist or he was a TikToker, means say, these social media platform or his career path has to play a part in the cut down of this man. No, you understand? It can be something we're totally different. It can be we're man a virgin in our argument, you know. You would up on TikTok, you don't know about this, you know. You know what I mean? Because him not come disclose this on TikTok. It can be somewhere of relatives, you know. Or it can be based on, you know, it can be so much things. But unfortunately, my people, the man never, him daughter never start rest in peace at him just bury him daughter. And see them, my people, the man them just take him out like that. Just right there, so gone. So you see when I talk, sometimes I say life is a thing, brother. You can't be here tomorrow and you're just gone like that. Zine? But I'm just saying, like, these killers, or whoever responsible for this thing against the artists, the TikToker war canon, it seemed like them could wait. It seemed like, you know what I mean, like them not have no heart to say, yo, this man was still mourning. You see, this man was still, people, may I tell us, a life is a hell of a thing. See, so you know, because I say, war canon, rest in peace, brother, and it's really a sad story, and whatever they behind this, yo, I don't think so you deserve to go so. You see me, whatever the circumstances may be, but as I say, people heartless nowadays, them not no heart to think. You see me? People just different. But there was a time, people, with the same Rosalie there, when it came out war canon, used to have them look back and forth on TikTok, you know. And there was a time where she claims the war canon always a diss her up on them something. Which who know this Rosalie? You know what I mean? Who don't this Rosalie? Because Rosalie more to ranking and think, you know. You see me? So there was a time when in the period of the time when his daughter passes away, and Rosalie and him must win some riff-raff, and Rosalie passed some remarks pertaining to him, and this is a video where it went viral. And I'm going to do shirt on my platform, you understand? Not say me I try to bring down Rosalie, but this went viral that the people know it. So at least who don't know who is war canon, maybe this can brought you back on the memories. So you know who is war canon and who this brother was. So my people, as I'm going to leave and I'm going to say, stay safe, do the right thing, and please remember to do like this video, my people. It's important when I like my video. Please do share, leave it in the comment section. What do you think about the whole thing? And it's a sad situation, my people. And remember to do subscribe to the channel. It's important. If you're not subscribed already, follow me on all social media platforms. Instagram, just type in NEWLINK Production and follow. There's a lot of stuff I'll be posted over there that's totally different from YouTube. TikTok, same way we cover different story. So on all my social media platforms, it's totally different stuff I've been doing. So you need to interact with me on the other platforms if you really want to get a feeling of NEWLINK. On X, which is formerly known as Twitter, you understand, Facebook NEWLINK Production, TikTok NEWLINK Production, Instagram NEWLINK Production, and I say you will steer, you know what I mean, the whole works at the attacking bar. So be good, my people, be great and be safe, and just take care of yourself and just be careful out there. You understand? Remember, a one team, you know, one dream, one scheme. And you say, who responsible for the death of war canon? A straight attack for Uno. Straight attack. Me not go leave out and no attack Uno. Because when just the man that gone, the man just, you know what I mean? Yo, attack for Uno, man. I just hope there's some real investigations can dip in at the thing. Yeah, man, no need for Bradford, man. Straight attack. Peace out, my people. Be good, be great, and be safe. I'm out. Blessings.
Me take on war canon. I'm go up on him page. Me tell you in a chat, I go up on him page, and when I go up on him page, me not go tell a lie. I am not. I wouldn't say what I did was. I wouldn't say what I did was. Me not go say what me do. Did right, it was wrong. But when I'm going on my evil error, you make me feel some type of way, or when you make me feel some type of way, I'm going to do some type of thing. But go up on him post, go see him post him that, and take it off and carry it over Instagram, go say him great part police and look for him, da 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 da. I never said what I did was right. But they were attacking me. These were boys that were attacking me. Boss said before, boss said, drop out. Donor before donor becomes Big King Donia, MY, one in a business, him name. I don't know what him name, business, him. Now who me attack? MY, M said MB are him. All of them is so strong and all even Zuma. Rosalie too big and too craven. Come no bad and TikTok no rate him. And them strong and them text said for me day in day out and trouble me. I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna make one post. And shit.
Why can't I go naked?
Boom, boom, John.
Where the female in there? Yo. Watch out. Boom, boom, I tear up John. I tear up John.
I tear up John.
Boom, boom, I tear up John. I tear up John. I tear up John. Boom, boom, I bust up John. I rip up John. I mash up John. Boom, boom, I tear up John. I tear up John. I tear up John. Boom, boom, fat in a panty. You wear your pussy fat, move down, fuck your handy. Why some boy choose the fuck the donkey? Rise up the gun for the deal me cranky. Hey girl, put the up. Hey girl, put your hand there. Inna your boom boom, bad man a slam gear. Girl so like bike in a 1 year. Hey girl, come sit me. Why your boom boom a tear up jack? A tear up jack. Pull up. Now if it bad say bad. Tear up jack.